Today's topic what we're going to see is curves. So curves we have three types: ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Constructing these three we have variety of methods. Already I have demonstrated for ellipse we have three: concentric circle method, rectangular method, eccentricity method. But today we are going to see the eccentricity method. These are all concentric rectangular methods. Already posted video. The video which I posted for eccentricity method, I am not getting clarity, so we are going for eccentricity method today. So before you going to getting inside the eccentricity method, you have to see this curve, which is stress strain curve. If you want to take Young's modulus, that is notation is E, which is rise by run. There is nothing but stress by strain. As you can see, let me move this cursor into laser pointer. Yeah, this is stress which is in the y-axis. Here it is strain which is in the x-axis. So slope is y by x is nothing but Young's modulus, that is equal to E. If you are able to know this E is equal to y by x, then the next attempt onwards it will be very easy for you. Let me show you. Now this is the problem. Using eccentricity method, draw an ellipse, use directrix of focus distance is 30 mm. Okay, now we are using the eccentricity. Then E is y by x value, that is 3 by 4th, which is always less than 1. If it is equal to 1, that is parabola. Higher than 1, it is hyperbola. So this is less than 1. So if I am multiplying with 15 by 15, so 3 into 15, 45. 4 into 15, 16 we will get x and y. I will tell you what is the usage of this x and y in this problem. First we have to draw one directrix, that is we call DD. The center point of the directrix is O. From that I am making one horizontal line. Then I am going to mark one F. They are clearly given. The directrix to focus distance is 30 mm. So O to F is 30 mm. Again I am telling O to F distance is 13 mm. I am marking that is F. After that I want to construct some lines. Further I have to use this x and y values. As usual, y will be sliding on this line, x will be on this line. Okay. So now I want to fix x and y. So O to F 30 mm, then F to x also another 30 mm. So x is 60 mm done. Y is 45 mm, so I am making 45 mm line over here. Okay. Now all the things are over. Next we have to construct one straight line from origin O to Y, which is passed through the straight line. We don't know what is the angle at all, just connect it, that's fine. Second, we have to make 45-degree measurement from the F focus, both left as well right side. We have to make one line like this. So this line is cutting here and this line is merging with this one is here. So we have to make vertical line. Let me keep the name T1, T2. Okay. So this is the range. Within this range only we are going to construct our ellipse. After that what we have to do? We have to divide this D1 to D2 space into equal number of parts like this. Giving the name V1, V2, vertex 1, vertex 2. Now I am dividing this space into equal number of lines, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It is not necessary to merging some line with focus or merging some line with x and y. It's not like that, just divide it. If I am dividing the space into more number of line means higher the accuracy will get the shape of the ellipse, but it took more time. Okay. Next what we have to do, these lines are 1, 2, 3 and it is in the hitting in the horizontal line. Next these lines, vertical lines are hitting the T1, T2 space also. For that we will give some name. It is 1, so I am giving 1 dash. This is 2, this is 2 dash. Similarly it is going. Next what we have to do, take your compass, keep your compass pin in 1, measure the distance up to 1 dash. Okay. Then lift your compass. All these things are hereafter we are going to cut the arc. All the arc should be focused from the center point called focus. So keep the compass in the focus. You cut one arc in the one line. Okay. This one dash line. Then you measure the distance up to 2 dash. then keep the compass in the focus, you cut the arc in 2 dash line. So similarly you do it for all these things. If you are going for 5 means, keep the compass here, measure the distance up to here, then lift the compass, keep it in the focus, cut to an arc, it will exactly cutting like this. Now you are getting some points, arc points. Now we connect it, you will get the ellipse. Okay, so once ellipse is constructed, now we have to go for tangent and normal. This is our constructed ellipse. Then you mark any one point. Say example, I mark this point P, then you have to connect it up to focal. Okay, then after that use your drafter, 90 degree do this line, we have to extend one more line which is going to hit directrix OD, we call this a Q. Okay, then you have to connect Q to P, that's it, not much more. Now this is tangent, 90 degree to this, we call that's a normal, then over. So in this regard, I love to thanks Dr. Om Prakash Shah for keeping motivating me to prepare these video clips. I strongly believe that these clips will be very much helpful to everyone. Previous one we had the audio issue, I think this is rectified this issue. Thank you.